Hey YouTubers, this is Danny Pate here. I got a little short video I'm going to make about my putting the LS in my 64 Falcon. I got a 64 Falcon Sprint. I've had the car for 39 years. I've drove it for 39 years. I decided to do an LS swap on it. I got a 5.3 in it. We just put it in there a couple of days ago, so nothing's really hooked up yet. Let me move. I got something I want to show you. I didn't want to cut the car, and I figured something out that may help you. Some of you may gripe about it. I don't know, but I'll show you what we got here. Move all this. See, it fits under the hood real nicely. Anybody that's thinking about doing one, but the only problem is the exhaust. So I figured out, and if you notice this, the spark plugs will still fit in the holes here. See, you can still put the spark plugs in it. They still fit in all the holes. But I figured out that this is the old exhaust off the car. This is a 289 exhaust. Car came with a 260, but this is a 289 exhaust manifold. Okay, but if you look, the exhaust manifold matches the ports. This is what we were trying to do. I was trying to cut an exhaust to fit it. It was just more trouble than it was worth. But if you look, the Ford 289 exhaust manifold and the LS, the exhaust ports match up perfectly, and you can still get your spark plugs in it because the gaps, if you look, the gaps are the same. See that? So you can still get your spark plugs in it, and the Ford, the ports are the same. So all you have to do, and I just ordered it, is order some flanges, LS flanges, and just right where you can see right here, just cut the Ford manifold off here, because the bolt pattern's wider anyway. Cut the Ford, trim the Ford manifold down to where it hugs the block even closer, and weld the LS manifold flange to the Ford manifold, and it's going to work. Okay, I used to be scared about welding casts, but I've done it a few times, and I hadn't had any problems with it. I've just watched a few YouTube videos and have been able to do it. But if you look, see, and the manifold will fit